Hey guys, in this video let me share you how to reset the newly launched Realme Buds T500 Pro TWS earbud. Now the first step is that if you already connected your earbuds with in any device means just to go and unpair it. And the second step, just to place your earbuds into the case and make sure the case and earbuds have enough battery. To close the case door, you will see the green light indication. Now again open the case door and take off both the earbuds and better turn off the Bluetooth in your nearby devices. So now just to take out both the earbuds. Now this is the important step. You need to press and hold on both the buds for 15 seconds continuously, up to 15 seconds. So do this process by just wearing one earbud and one earbud in hand and do this process because you will get some digital sound as the success indication. So just to press and hold both the buds for up to 15 seconds continuously. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So after press and holding around 10 to 15 seconds, you will get some digital sounds. So that is a success indication for the reset completion. So once you hear that continuous type of digital sounds, so just place the buds again into the case, and during the 5th second itself you will hear some digital sound, but that is the pairing mode type of a connection. So you have to continuously press and hold for up to 15 seconds. So around 10 to 15 seconds you will again get that digital sounds. Now place the earbuds into the case and one time close the case door and again open it. Now enable the Bluetooth in your nearby device and just to go, now you can see the Realme Buds T500 Pro. Just to click to pair, click on the allow access, click on the pair, and also in the case you can see the white light indication. Just to click on the pair option. So now the Realme Buds T500 Pro is connected, and there is one more indication also. If you already connected your earbuds with the LHDC audio codec means, so now we reset it. I previously connected with LHDC. Now it actually switched it to the AAC mode. So this is one more indication that the earbuds is now got resetted. So if you want to change the codec means, you can do all that stuff using the Realme Link application. So here it is. So just to install the Realme Link app for any Android device, and also if you are using iPhone also install the Realme Link application. You can see the Realme Buds T500 Pro. So here you can see all the features, and here is the high definition sound. Just to enable it, to enable the LHDC 5.0. So to use the LHDC audio codec, your smartphone also need that LHDC 5.0 support. Well, that's it about this reset process on this Realme Buds T500 Pro, and hopefully if your connection problem solved means, so let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, hit the like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.